Hi guys, it's Jo here from Time for Tea Designs. Today I am starting the countdown to the Time for Tea Designs new release for November. Over the next few days I will be sharing with you all of the new products from the November release. All of the products in today's video will be available at Time for Tea Designs and Simon Says Stamp from the 11th of November at 9 AM British Summer Time. First up, we have our pumpkin spice stamp set. This is an adorable stamp set, perfect for making those pumpkin spice latte cards, but you can also use this for your other coffee, tea or hot drink related cards. We've got a coffee cup, we've got a pumpkin shaped mug with some froth on top, we've got a teacup, we've got a pumpkin on its own, we've got a tall latte glass or mug, some cinnamon sticks, and we've also got some pumpkin pie. Along with this comes some cute faces, so you can use the faces to decorate up all of your images. And then we've got some mix and match sentiments, so you can do "You are my cup of tea," "You are beautiful," "You are the pumpkin spice in my latte," "You are so sweet," or "You mean a latte to me." So some great sentiments there for you to use. This also comes with a coordinating die set. Next up, the perfect partner for that very stamp set is our Perfect Blend A6 sentiment stamp set. This has got some great sentiments that will be perfect for all of those coffee and hot drink related projects. We've got "You mean a latte to me," "Stay grounded," you mean a cup of tea," "Brew can do it," "Rise and grind," "We are the perfect blend," to name but a few. You've got some extra little images there of some steam and some tea leaves, some coffee beans, and there are some great fonts and mixes of fonts in this set that will really add a really great finish to your cards. Next up in today's reveal is this adorable set of bears. This is the Happy Trails A6 stamp set, and in this set we've got some great characters for some really fun winter projects. We have our little car here with the luggage on top. We're going on a road trip. We have the sentiment to go with that, and then we have two cute little bears that are dressed for winter. One with a snuggly sweater on, one with a snuggly scarf, and then we also have our little sleeping bear here as well. They're having a little bonfire, perfect for this time of year. They're roasting marshmallows under the stars and the moon. We have a fir tree, and we also have the little map that's going to help them on their way. Oh, and also a lovely mug of hot chocolate to keep them warm on their trails. We have the sentiments: "I'd be lost without you," "Love your adventures," "Love our adventures together," and "Happy trails." Really, really fun little stamp set for this time of year. This also comes with the coordinating dies, and you'll see here that we also have the die that cuts out the window in that car. Thank you for joining me today for today's sneak peek of the new release. Please join me again tomorrow for more exciting countdown reveals.